see the night, for once won't hold me tonight. And if this town is just an hour, then let me take a bite. So they say, why? Tell them that is human nature.
Well, I'm a terrific Michael Jackson fan because my son is a Michael Jackson pretender. So I came to see the real Michael Jackson.
I came all the way from New York City via Saratoga Springs because the Michael Jackson phenomenon is continuing.
Michael Jackson is the best person on this earth. I wouldn't miss him for anything.
I'm here to see a fine entertainer. Fantastic. Seen him growing up and come all the way from Toronto to watch him perform.
Everyone inside was orderly, and as expected, there was a great age range. And everywhere you look, you'd see symbols of Jackson mania. There were Jackson lookalikes, Jackson symbols, the sparkling glove and socks, and there were messages to Michael and his brothers. Banners were hung up, some were handheld. And as the stadium filled up earlier, the lights were turned on, and the atmosphere was electric.